my gosh, I'm doing a video again. Oh my goodness, it has been so long since I've actually done a DIY video. I haven't done a video like this in a very long time. So anyways, I actually wanted to update you guys on certain things since a lot of you guys were kind of confused from what I put recently on my channel. I decided to change up my channel. That includes changing the name, changing the concept. I'm still gonna do DIYs, but I'm also gonna do some dance cover videos as well, and a little bit of vlogging we'll see here and there, but I for sure want to change up a little bit of my channel and what its main goal is and what I want to show you guys. So yeah. But anyway, so today I'm gonna do a DIY video for you guys and I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it.
For these BTS album wall decor, you're going to need some cardstock paper and also some printouts of your favorite albums. These are my favorite albums, so I already pre-cut them, and I also got the BTS logo as well. And then I also went ahead and got some bulldog clips to clip them on. Just don't get the magnetic ones like me, that was my mistake. And then you're also going to need some Mod Podge and a paintbrush. This DIY is actually very simple. All you have to do is grab your cutout, put some Mod Podge on the back, and glue it onto your cardstock. So basically what I did here was to grab some pieces of cardstock that resembled my cutouts the best. So for the BTS logo, I decided to go for a galaxy theme background. And for the Wings album, since it's based off a book, I decided to get a cardstock with some newsprint on it. And for the Young Forever album, I decided to do a cloud cardstock since it's a hot air balloon. And for the Love Yourself album, since I couldn't really find a cardstock that matched it so well, I decided to get some washi tape that I already have that's holographic, and I think it worked pretty well. And once those are set off to dry, you can go ahead and grab your clips and start clipping them on and hang them on your wall. And since mine were magnetic, which was my idea, which was a bad idea, I went ahead and just got some command strips and just put them on my wall, and you're basically done. This DIY is super easy and simple to do to hang up some of your favorite BTS albums. And now there I am again. So for this DIY, you're just going to need a terrarium. I found this at Joann's. You can find it at any craft store. I also got some mini succulents to go with it, and some river pebble rocks, whatever type of rocks. You can also find it outside if you want, and some moss. And you're also going to need a picture of your choice. I chose Jungkook. So the first thing I did was to fill up my terrarium, so I went ahead and got my moss and filled it up all the way through, and then I also got my pebbles and just scattered them around the moss and the terrarium. You can also decorate this terrarium with some sand or some soil. It doesn't have to be just pebbles and moss, but it's totally up to you. And then you're just going to go ahead and get your succulents. Mine were a little bit too big, so I cut them down to size. And then I just went ahead and stuck them into the terrarium, and then I got my Jungkook picture and got a paper clip and then stuck it in there as well, and you're all done. For this song playlist wall decor, I decided to print out my favorite album, which is the Love Yourself album. You're also going to need a black pen. I decided to use a Sharpie instead of my Tombow. And then you're going to need some plastic vinyl that is bigger than you. Just kidding, you don't need that much. I ended up buying a full yard, which I only ended up using half a yard, but you never know when you need some extra. So I went ahead and used my phone as a reference guide so I can know where to draw the lines and everything, and yes, I was listening to Seesaw while filming this video. So I already went ahead and cut out the vinyl to the size that I needed, and also placed the album cover right underneath the vinyl so then I can draw all my lines and details in place. And I also got inspiration from Sophia. She is the creator of this DIY, I believe, and I'll put her channel and the original video down below for you guys. So yeah, I just basically drew out everything how my phone showed, and that's it. You can hang it up on your wall with some washi tape or anything you like, and you're done. I think it turned out super cute.
Enjoy that video and give you some inspiration for your room or some DIYs that you want to make, and yeah. And if you want to see more DIYs, more content, more videos from me, make sure to subscribe if you want to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.